What's up, everybody? Good afternoon. So I know I haven't made a video in a good while. There's a reason to that. I'm just doing this from my phone right now. But there's a reason to that. I don't want to make videos of crap, to be honest with you. And I need to buy the cams and 2 fuel pumps. I think I'm around 2 Wabo 450s in the pump, in the tank, and the fuel lines and whatever. So I just need to make a video me putting those stuff in and whatever. All right, so that's why I haven't made a video. But I mean, the car's still here. I was just admiring the car, taking some pictures of it or whatever. Anyways, so another reason why I haven't really spent any more money on this yet, I bought rims for this car. So let me go around and show it to y'all right now. It's some Scion FRS rims that I bought and put on this car. So yeah, and I just put some suspension parts on there for the, what do you call it? It's the sway bar links and the outer tie rod ends. Just put them on there. I'm supposed to be getting the coilovers for it next week. It's some eBay coilovers, but I just need to drop it just a little bit because it's kind of too tall. It might look like it's perfect, but it is too tall. So I need to put those on this car. I'm gonna do a video on that to put on the channel. Now, next thing. All right, so we're back. All right. Yeah, the angle on this one is a whole lot better. You see, I could change the angle, change the angle. Perfect. Perfecto. All right, so go back. Okay, good. So this thing right here just looks beautiful. Oh my God, look at that. Woo! It's perfect. Instagram picture. Bomb. That angle looks very nice. Okay, cool. So you see, I don't want to make useless videos that nobody's gonna be watching. I just need to get shit done. I need to pull this turbo and manifold back off, so I can have the manifold rectified to where it doesn't leak any exhaust on cylinder number 5. I need to do that. So yeah, I don't want to, whatever. So yeah. Anyways, let me get back to moving this car back up here, and that's gonna be it for the video. This is just a little update video, let y'all know I don't forget y'all, and whatever. So yeah, it's a little update video. These freaking tires, man, I need to change these shit. These shit are brand new. Sticking my finger all the way down there, but yeah. So yeah, let me go move this damn car. Let me set my camera good. Come on, your camera. Me away, so let's look on it. Let's look on it. We need to get one. Right here we go. So yeah, put it up here or whatever. Oh shit, I need to back it up some more. You won't see the lights good because it's daylight, but let me just back it up a little bit. Don't watch my dashboard either because it looks like a Christmas tree. I need to pull all these stuff out. Looks just like a Christmas tree. Yeah, that's better. So yeah, don't watch my dashboard. But anyways, this is it. Thank y'all for watching. Hold up my horn. I need to go check on that shit. But thank y'all for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all. I appreciate it. Thanks to all my subscribers and everybody who comment. Y'all have a good rest of your week, and until y'all see y'all again, peace.